them what we're doing?
I'm pretty sure they were found out that we're having a burping contest.
Burping contest.
Oh, that was good.
Mine's gonna be better.
My stomach hurts now.
Where'd that water go? There it is. See if water makes me burp. Wait, it's coming, I think. Dang. That sucked. Okay.
We're gonna be like having to pee like really bad.
Yeah, okay. Shh. Alright, water. It's coming. It's coming.
Oh wait, dang, dude.
We just need to chug that thing.
Yeah.
Maybe we got like 40 of those.
Oh, I wish.
We're gonna need way more. We're gonna need way more of those.
I have to drink all of them.
Oh. Oh, that sucked.
My stomach's hurting.
It'll adapt it.
So serious, you were like, I can't help that.
I can't do it.
No, I'm having the ones that are big.
Taking air.
I have to burp.
I have to burp. Like I have a big one coming, but I can't. I can't.
Get out. Oh, that sucked.
That was better.
Oh, that sucked. Any more?
Oh, the Cheetos coming back up. I can taste it. Can't have that, dog. Oh my god, that scared the crap out of me.
Make sure this one's big.
Now I need the bubbles. Gas bubbles.
This one's gonna be big. This one's gonna hurt.
Oh, really?
Yeah, burp.
I can feel it like it's like right here.
It's right here.
It's like right there. It's like stuck in my throat. Okay.
What the crap was that? I'm sorry, I gotta pee so bad. Go pee.
No, because I'm probably gonna like burp the biggest one in there, and then I'm gonna be like, really?
We'll all be able to hear it though.
I knew I
Can you burp off of Cheetos? Off of Doritos? Possibly.
What if I could burp like without it like make like that? I wonder if I could keep it. Dang it, no. Let's see if I can hear it. Like it won't like get on mine, ball.
No texture.
Nothing.
You can scroll it down and it won't do anything.
Really?
What?
He said really.
You said really?
Yeah. This thing is like 7 minutes long.